Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Our channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to add preferred language on Tinder for Android. And before that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the start. First we go to the Tinder application that you have been to install it before. Tap on the Tinder. Okay, for the next step you can go to the symbol or the photos in the upper or the left corner, and let's go to the settings. Okay, slide away until you find about the preferred language. And how to add the other language here, you can tap on add language and choose the one of those. It means the region or the languages. Okay, tap on there, you find it, and now your preferred language is add for your Tinder application. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, I think it's enough to how to add preferred language on Tinder for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.